In this video, you'll learn how to use Lucidchart in Google's Hangouts Chat. First, add the Lucidchart bot to Google Hangouts by clicking the Find People, Rooms, and Bots button on the top left-hand side of the screen. Next, click here on the text that reads Message a Bot. Find the Lucidchart bot by typing Lucidchart or selecting Lucidchart. Once selected, you will see a dialog box that will prompt you to connect your Lucidchart account. Click on the blue link to connect your Hangouts chat bot to your Lucidchart instance. Log into your Lucidchart account and click on Connect Account to start diagramming in Google Hangouts Chat. Now, you'll just need to add the bot to any conversation or channel you'd like to use it in. First, let's create a demo room. Now that we have a room, start typing in the message field at the bottom of the screen. Just type @Lucidchart and then click the bot to activate it. A dialog box will pop up prompting you to add the bot to the room. Click Add to Room and the bot will be ready to go for future diagramming. You will only have to go through this step the first time you add a bot to a room or conversation. Now, let's try the bot out. We can now create a new document by typing @Lucidchart. Then, click the bot to activate it. And now, type in the command New. This will open up a new document in your Lucidchart account where you can start diagramming while instantly sharing your diagram with anyone in this room or conversation.